I want to tell you guys something very important. The winner for the giveaway. We're gonna take Saud and it's free. So we're about to go to it's Ferrari, yeah. They say when you're with the right people, the vibe always is good, even when you're in the wrong place.
Guess I'm with the right people then.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, guys. We finally have the winner for the giveaway. Now, as you guys already know, we did a 15k plus a free iPhone 15 giveaway, and alhamdulillah we have the winner finally, guys. As you guys can see behind me is Ehsanszz the Royal. The winner, of course, stayed the night over. We couldn't film the vlog much because it was super late, but today we're going to be catching up with the winner. And he's going to be probably here within the next 30 seconds or minute. And after he's here, guys, I'm going to introduce him to you guys and tell you guys how exactly he won the giveaway and how much we're going to be spending today, which you guys already know, 15,000 dirham. But let's see if he goes above the limit or whatever, you know. So we're going to be seeing that, inshallah. Wa alaikum assalam. How are you, brother? How's everything?
Everything's good. How are you?
Very good to see you, bro. So we got the winner. What was your name again?
Saud Abu Khalid.
Saud Abu Khalid, mashallah. So we got Saud and he got chosen on Instagram. Basically the same thing that we did last time. We chose the winner through the comments and all of that stuff. But alhamdulillah, we have a winner. Saud, how are you, brother? How's everything? Very good to see you, man. You know what? We got a match, you know? That's fine, bro. No worries, wallah. So basically, guys, we got Saud and somehow, subhanAllah, he won the giveaway. So you guys already know the giveaway winner gets a free iPhone 15 and a 15,000 dirham and a stay over the Atlantis the Royal. How's the stay?
Alhamdulillah, very luxurious. I'm blessed to have you.
How's the ticket and flight and all of that?
Very easy.
Very
Came from Riyadh.
That's amazing. So yeah, guys, I know a lot of you guys participated, but this is not the end of it. The next giveaway will even be bigger than this. Probably an iPhone 16 plus 25,000 dirhams. And if you guys want to, of course, stay tuned for that. Make sure you guys drop a follow on my Instagram because I'll be doing this more often. And if you guys didn't know, the last time we did this giveaway, we chose two winners. Each one of them got 5k and 5k, and they spent it on PS5s, everything else. What do you think are you gonna spend the 15k on, bro?
I'm not sure yet. Let's see. We're gonna see.
Like, what could be your guess?
Clothes, some gifts for my father and mother.
MashaAllah, that's amazing. All right, let's go with the flow, guys. Currently we're at Milo's. We have already booked the table and everything. We're gonna order food right now. Go inside. I think they have live lobsters and stuff, so we're gonna order some good food right now. And after the food, inshallah, you don't know yet what's in the box. All right, so that's gonna be something interesting. We're gonna go around the city, enjoy. And since he's in Dubai, is this your first time or?
No, I've came here before.
MashaAllah, that's amazing. Since he's in Dubai, we're gonna take care of him and we're gonna make sure that he has an amazing time here. So why don't we go inside and have the food right now?
Yeah. Let's do it.
Alright, let's go.
They hate when you elevate. They stacking up losses, I'm handing them out, yeah, how to go delegate. It feel like I'm floating, I'm lost in the moment, I swear I could levitate. They never believed that I would really...
You sure you don't?
Can I have a fork?
Rate it out of 10, yalla.
Like a 9 out of 10.
9? What about you, Saud?
Valid, like 7 out of 6.
7?
Very good, brother. See, one of these houses is like $11 million. Like 45 million.
Are these penthouses or apartments?
Apartments. But there is penthouses up at the top.
I'm way too fly, yeah, I'm feeling my...
Oh, guess where we're going next?
Where?
Jet ski, inshallah. I think we're a little bit late, but we'll try.
Inshallah, jet ski. Let's do it.
Let's go. How's the food, by the way?
Amazing. Oh, I'm so full.
Alhamdulillah, it was so good, alhamdulillah. Guys, we're about to book the jet skis. They're the fastest in here available. Alright guys, we just got done with the jet ski and all of that stuff. How was it, Saud?
Really fun.
Out of 10.
10.
10?
Simple 10.
Alhamdulillah, it was actually really fun. We enjoyed the time. Ahmed, what do you think? It was,
10 out of 10.
the jet skis were going until 120 kilometers per hour, which is really fast. Like by car, you don't even feel anything. But when you're in the water, you know, ups and downs, bro, it really makes sense. We are sick and we just ate ice cream. Like now, we're gonna take Saud on a shopping spree. So we're gonna go buy some stuff hopefully, and then probably go eat at Burj Al Arab, and then probably go to Top Golf. Now I wasn't supposed to say Burj Al Arab because it was a surprise, but it just came out of my mouth, guys. So now Saud knows, guys. Saud, have you been to Burj Al Arab?
Never.
Quick coffee stop before we actually start the shopping spree. Gotta get energized, you know, before we actually get started.
You can talk.
It's Ferrari, yeah. It's basically a Ferrari shop. We're gonna see what they have and what he's interested in, you know. Let's see. Guys, I was with Ahmed and basically he saw this perfume named Mercedes-Benz and he really liked it. I'm gonna try to surprise him with a gift because why not? You know? Alright, so I sent Ahmed to the coffee shop with my friend and this is basically the perfume. It's so good, guys. Like this one right over here. It looks like Dior Sauvage, but it's not, of course. So we're gonna get one for Ahmed because he has a Benz, mashallah. So we're just gonna get one for him as well. Oh, what the hat, brother? The Mercedes hat, yes, yes. Guys, we got the hat. Guys, I met someone, we met 1 year ago?
Yeah, it's 1 year ago.
Yeah, 1 year ago. He had a gym shop, mashallah. But,
Wawan.
huh?
Wawan Protein.
Wawan Protein. You're still there or not?
Yeah, I'm still there.
Mashallah, that's amazing. Good luck, brother. See you soon, inshallah. Bye-bye.
450, okay?
Card. Alright guys, we just got the gift and everything, so we're about to go surprise him, inshallah. See his reaction. Ahmed, put the coffee somewhere. Put the coffee there.
Nah. No.
It's for your car. It's built for...
You got it.
It's the smallest thing, bro. It's for your car. 2.1K?
Yeah. Conor McGregor.
That's actually good, wallah.
Boys, we just reached Burj Al Arab. We're about to enter it right now, inshallah. Unfortunately, I ruined the surprise for Saud because I told him about it, but still, I think you're gonna like it, inshallah.
Inshallah.
So, basically, you know what they say? They say when you're with the right people, the vibe always is good, even when you're in the wrong place.
Guess I'm with the right people then.
Saud, if you had $15 billion right now, what would you do?
$15 billion. Tricky question, but first, I'll invest maybe 15% of that 15 billion into something winning. So maybe a stock market, maybe a piece of land. So what I would do right now, maybe buy a building or an apartment in Ras Al Khaimah near the casino that's opening up. The value is gonna increase like significantly when the casino is built.
Guys, we just got done wrapping up the second part of the shopping spree. What do you think, sir? How was it?
It was really fun. Thank you for the opportunity.
Guys, Saud decided something. I'll tell you guys, it's better if he tells himself.
So while I'm trying to purchase the rest of the money that I have for the shopping spree, I realized that there's nothing I really need. Alhamdulillah, I have everything I want. Allah has blessed me. So the remainder of the money that I have, I'm going to donate it all to charity.
What a wise word, bro. This is for my boys at Hustler Zico. Dos, tres. Alright guys, this is probably the end of the vlog. Alhamdulillah, it's an amazing time here at Top Golf. We played some games and all that. So did you enjoy?
Wallah, I enjoyed the thought. Thank you.
Alhamdulillah, wallah, it was a pleasure. My boy Saud is leaving tomorrow to Saudi Arabia back again. It was a pleasure having him here in Dubai. I hope he enjoyed the time and everything, alhamdulillah. I think this was like a lifetime experience, the memories and everything. Inshallah, you know, the more we grow up, the more we're gonna remember these kind of days that kind of build the friendship and everything. And alhamdulillah, it was such an amazing time. Guys, if this video gets 1,000 likes, I will visit Saud in Riyadh and I'll actually make like a complete vlog in Riyadh. Alhamdulillah, I hope Saud enjoyed it and all of that stuff.